Hello everyone. In last class we have covered how to calculate days of grace, okay, and due date of bills, ठीक है. जिसमें हमने पढ़ा इमरजेंसी हॉलीडे, पब्लिक हॉलीडे, संडे. अगर संडे या पब्लिक हॉलीडे है तो you need to make it in 1 day advance payment. And if it is like ये क्या बोलते हैं emergency holiday, so your due date will become 1 day postponed to that. Okay. Today we need to start accounting treatment. Accounting treatment के लिए we need to understand that there are two categories of bills of exchange. Just like I have told you, bills receivable, bills payable. In short, it can be written as B slash R, B slash P. The person who is entitled to receive money draws the bills and get it accepted from the person who is liable to pay. तो मतलब वो person bill बनाएंगे and they are going to get it accepted from the person who is like ultimately the customer, okay, or the debtor. As such, the same bill is a bill receivable from point of view of drawer and bills payable from point of view of acceptor. तो जो accept कर रहे हैं उनके लिए होगा bills payable, ठीक है. जो draw कर रहे हैं for whom, like for that person it will become bills receivable. ये सिचुएशन को समझने के लिए ना प्लीज ट्राई टू इमेजिन एनी काइंड ऑफ ट्रांजेक्शन फॉर योर ओन बिजनेस एंड ट्राई टू रिलेट इट कि अगर आपका कोई डेटर है या आपका कोई क्रेडिटर है तो who will be drawer, who will be drawee, for whom it will be bills payable, whom it will be bills receivable, and so on, right? So different uses of bills payable, sorry, bills receivable. So a party which holds a bills receivable can use it either of the following ways. या तो you have to keep it till maturity date. Okay. अपने पास ही रखिए, पेमेंट रिसीव कीजिए at the end of the time. He may discount it with the banker before the date of maturity. Just like I have given you example now, if Shah wanted to get the amount in advance, definitely he is going to get it discount from the bank. Okay, and at the due date, Ayush will be making payment to the bank directly. थर्ड वन, if he may endorse it. अगर मुझे आरव को पेमेंट करनी थी तो you remember in the very first class I have endorsed the bill to Arav before the date of maturity. And fourth, he may send it to banker for collection. बैंक को दे देंगे, बैंक को बोलेंगे जब भी maturity हो collect the amount on my behalf. Okay, these are the four uses. So let's start with number one, when the bill is retained by the drawee in his own possession till the date of maturity. So in such a case, the drawer will himself receive the payment of bills on the date of maturity. The following entries will be passed. ध्यान से समझ रहे हैं यार, entries are really simple. Look, drawer, drawee. Drawer कौन होगा? Creditor. Drawee कौन होगा? Debtor. First and foremost entry will be sales, and for it will be purchase. For sales, it will be debtors account debit. Debtor is my asset. I'm going to increase its balance to sales. Sales is my income. Income का balance क्या होता है? Credit. For purchase, it will be opposite. Purchase is an expense. It will be debited. Purchase account debit to creditor. Later on, you want to convert this debtor into bills receivable. So the debtor has to convert it into bills payable. The second entry will be for bills receivable, bills payable. तो अब देखो करोगे क्या आप? You're going to reduce the balance of debtor. तो opposite हो जाएगा, debtor will be credited. Okay. For debtor, creditor will be reduced. So creditor usually have credit balance. To reduce it, you need to debit it. A new asset will be created named as bills receivable. तो bills receivable account debit क्योंकि आपने एक नया bill create किया. And for the other party, it will be creditors account debit to bills payable account. I hope this point is clear. Now let's take some situations. If it is kept by drawer till maturity, अगर उन्होंने ही इसको रखा maturity तक, तो definitely there will be payment of bills payable on from the side of your debtor. तो पेमेंट करने के लिए they are going to reduce their liability. Bills payable is their liability. Liabilities have credit balance. To reduce it, you are going to write bills payable account debit. 2. If you are making payment, it's to bank account. Okay. For creditor, they are going to receive payment. So bank account will be debited because it will increase. To bills receivable account, that will be credited because you are going to reduce one asset. Are you understanding? So this was the first situation where it is kept till maturity and it is met on due date. मतलब आपको पैसा मिल भी गया. Okay. अभी के लिए एक बार यहाँ तक रिवाइज कीजिए, like revise its general entries, revise its this basic theory. Try to solve your first 2-3 illustrations. Keeping this in mind, have a screenshot of this या फिर pause the video. Try to solve 2-3 questions related to this. Okay. Once you'll complete this part, then in next class we'll be starting with its more technical aspects along with some questions. So, bachcho, please do it. Thank you.